Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and tools. If the iPad is low, plug it in and wait 30 minutes so it won't die mid-recovery. Next, identify the model because the force restart sequence differs. Know whether you have a home button or Face ID. Once ready, perform the correct force restart. Press the model-specific buttons in the required order and hold until the Apple logo blinks off and returns. This can clear a minor boot loop without data loss. If a force restart didn't work, put the iPad into recovery mode and connect it to a computer. You'll press and hold the specified buttons until the recovery screen appears. The computer will detect a device needing attention. Choose Update to reinstall iPad OS while preserving your data. This downloads the latest firmware and attempts repair. If update times out or fails, then choose Restore, which erases the device. So make sure you've tried Update and are prepared to lose local data before restoring. If recovery mode cannot revive the iPad, perform DFU mode to reload the firmware at a deeper level. Follow exact button timing for your model and use the computer to complete the restore. Once the process finishes, set up the iPad from your iCloud or local backup or choose a fresh install. If anything goes wrong, like the computer won't recognize the iPad, swap cables, test another USB port, or try a different Mac/PC. Hardware and cable faults are a common hidden cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.